Okay, thanks, got it. Okay, so here we are, we've arrived at Basecamp. I'm going to set up a new project, this bug project. So here it is, new project. I'm setting it up and I'm going to call it the bug finder project. Okay, there it is. Okay, there I am. I'm the only person in this project right now. So I'm going to go inside of the project. I'm going to invite some people. I'm going to add people to our team, not as a client, but as our team members. And it's asking me who do I want to add. So I'm going to go ahead and add Wakas. I can see him there. I'm going to go and add Sana, that's one team there. I'm going to add Akil. Then I'm going to add Nasir, that's his team member, just there. Then I'm going to add Umair, he's part of my team. And then I'm going to add Smile, Homa, Lead, and Ants. I think I got Sana, didn't I? Yes, I did. Okay, everyone been added? Yes, are you happy? If you got missed, please let us know. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to send, say send now. So you guys should all have access on Basecamp to this project called Bug Finder Project. Okay, and now we're going to go into Bug Finder Project and we're going to do to-dos together. So I'm going into to-dos and I'm going to say, oh, excuse me, problem, issues. Okay, I'm going to say bug reporting. We'll be working on one to-do together. So here we go. Now I'm going to set up over here by clicking on this little button at the top. I'm going to go into bug reporting and I'm going to set up groups. So the first group I've got is Wakas and Sana. So you guys can have yellow. That's your group done. The next one, I'm going to add another group, Akil and Nasir. Here we go. Add this group. I'm going to go back up there and I'm going to add the next group, which is Mel and Umair. Okay, there we go. The next group is Homa and Ismail. And the final group is Ants and Naveed. Oh, you guys didn't get a color, sorry. There you go. Okay, so we've got all these groups. Now, when you break up now, you're going to have 25 minutes in your groups to report bugs under your group. So you must press on the group that you are part of and add your insert to do and bug reporting over here. Okay. Just remember, like,
sequence you're following.
So if you're down here, if you're up here, Wakas, you will add an insert to do there.
Right.
Well, like this, everyone can see what the other team is posting.
That's right. There's no hiding because it's all, that's true. You're right. People can see what you're posting, but if you just focus on yourself and don't focus on others, because hopefully time will run out and they're not too busy waiting for you guys. Okay? It has to have a bit of trust. Or if you're smart, Sana, you can post, you can find all the bugs and you can post near the end if you want to be strategic.
Actually, from the time we can judge and guess who added first. If someone tried to copy and move.
We can also see if someone's copying. I'm sure I trust you guys are not the copiers and you guys can actually think with your own brain. I hope that we have that intelligence in us. I have that trust. But yes, you can play the game if you want to, Sana and Wakas. Like, it's totally up to you how you want to play. So,
right,
but so we will come back. We will come back and you will say, this is my bug. Now, we know the game, so you have to report your bug and make sure you take a screenshot of what bug you're reporting or a video of what bug, so you don't change the bug when we come back to play the game. It must be within your schedule already, because you could be adding bugs throughout, or you might want to change your bug. You must describe the bug clearly and must attach a screenshot, okay, of that bug. So we can judge, is it a bug, and we can see it clearly that that bug is there with an image or a video, whichever explains it the best.
For which project we are finding the bug, by the way?
So let me give you guys the chat, which will be is there a chat here? Okay, I'm going to send it to you guys in the chat. So the time will be from 2:50. It will begin. And we will again have to come back within 25 minutes. And we'll do the rounds, okay? So let me put
our team, we will see our team's bugs first in the first round.
We'll just go around in a circle until one team, like the team, can't continue around to submit any more bugs. So the last team standing will be the winning team. That will be the person that finds the most bugs. Okay. Here we go, guys. It's in your chat. And start. The time starts now, so please join with your team. So do you guys get the link?
Yes.
Okay.
Naveed, please share the link with me.
The bugs means the bugs, or
Nasir, you're with a very trained person. Talk to your team member. Okay, we can't help other teams right now. It's a competition. Yeah. So
it's time started. Okay.
Time started at 2:50. You will have to join back in 25 minutes. So that will be at 3:15, right?
Miss Huma, just send me the last Skype ID on that.
I'll send it in the daily stand-up as well, guys, in case you don't know what is the link. So in the daily stand-up is a link. So goodbye. Did you see what Lokas and Sana did? These two just disappeared. They're very hungry, and we're all sitting here discussing. Okay, so please communicate with your team. And